And this live stream thing I'm seeing is like showing you like how how our reality works. Cause like I said one thing and it showed the loop, and then it started like loop back in itself, and I said, oh, that would be what happens if time wasn't linear. If we actually did have a loop, we would end up just it'll start like doing it'll compound on itself, and you end up like the same thing, like an echo. I said, oh damn, that's the multiverse. Cause see, ain't nobody really doing nothing. Told y'all, man, this shit all fake. But see how the black man looking all whatever. Cause he don't get to exact his vision. That's why I say, black man, go exact your vision. Cause all this shit ain't nothing but a white man world and a world for women. You see what I mean? All this a bunch of women. You see how the men look. Take a good look at the women and then take a good look at the men. Look at the men and the energy that's coming off the men. Look at that man. Look at him, dog. And not this terrible dark energy coming off the men. You know what I mean? And then all the black men are on this melancholy shit like this nigga. Because they can't do nothing. That's why I say go do something. Because they want to say fuck white people. They want to say it. That's why I always said it. I ain't never let them not let me say it. Because once you stop not saying it, then you're scared to say it. Then you don't know how to, you know what I mean? Because that's what they want to say. Everybody always say it's a problem. They can't put their finger on what the problem is. You know what it is. White people. White people and what they've done to this planet and the ramifications of those efforts right there. White people right there and their guns and their uniforms and their badge and their control scheme, and they just stay out of the way, out of sight, out of mind, and give you this fake me out illusion that you are getting to participate in this world when in reality they participate on top of you. You know what I mean? You are the fuel, they eat you. You are the mustard on the sandwich. You are not the sandwich, and you damn sure ain't the nigga eating the sandwich. And you damn sure ain't the restaurant owner who prepared the sandwich. Let alone the cooking shit, nigga. Come on. Come on, man. You niggas are the mustard of this shit. There's levels to this shit. There's levels to this shit. Niggas, man. Y'all niggas is the mustard. The very bottom of this shit. And the only thing is that the top don't understand is that it's a house of cards. So they built themselves on top of you all, but you all ain't that big a great of a foundation. Y'all crumble and the whole system collapses on the backs of the broken people. That's why it's for the people by the people. The second these niggas stop walking around through this neighborhood, so much for Billionaire Row. You see what I mean? Y'all are the mustard. It's like a sandwich. Go eat a burger with no mustard and ketchup and mustard and shit. Nigga, that shit, it's not the same. It's just meat and bread. You all are the condiment of the sandwich. Y'all are the nacho to the nacho cheese. You know what I mean? Other than that, it's just regular cheese. It's just melted cheese without the nacho. You know what I mean? Y'all are the flavor. Y'all are the substance. Money Buddha, man. We live. 9 minutes. I'll see y'all in 9 minutes. The show's about to start. Look at that shit. We all are the mustard. That's why I try to tell y'all gotta understand this. Y'all gotta get rid of that shit out of y'all heart. Like and subscribe. Participate. There you go. Come on, black man. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Black man, black man, black man, black man. There you go. Looking like a million bucks as he should. As he should. You all should take example. Best one we seen, best looking man we saw on Billionaire Row so far. Look like he going places. Nigga, you on a cell phone making calls, making deals, nigga. He don't look like mess. He look like bread now. He ain't the sandwich, but he's not the mustard. He look like bread. You looking like bread, baby. You looking like you're on your way. You're on your way to being the goddamn table. Yeah, I mean, there's levels to this shit. You can be the little basket that hold the french fries and shit. There's levels to this shit. That shit don't get thrown out. They tell you put the basket on top of the trash can because we need that back. That means you got value. They married on the married move in a Jeep. Look at that broke ass Jeep though. You see what I mean? They not balling. That's they Jeep. That's the Jeep. They taking pictures on top of the Jeep, nigga, like they fly. But in reality, it's all stage. They poor as shit. See what I mean? The Hollywood, that's that fake me out Hollywood shit. They trying to take pictures in front of nice cars because they ain't got no nice shit. All these people are poor as fuck. That tiara is not real. Them ain't real diamonds. These people ain't real people. These women ain't got no real money. These men ain't rich. I'm the money Buddha. I'm the only person you ever seen put on the damn stream how much money he making and showing that shit on the screen. You ain't seen these motherfuckers ever show y'all a pay stub. And y'all niggas been tripping out here. Look at this shit. Oh, there's my paintings. There we go. My kind of place. My kind of place. What is this called? The Blue Box Cafe. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my God, genius. Ah, who are these people there? They understand it.
Getting started is easy.
Oh, that's what. They understand what we're going for here. Luxury. Luxury. I like this. I told you that we was gonna feed you that and all that, but we already have that with the pavilion. They can just come and spill out. I told y'all that. That's what I meant. I got this. I've been told you. It's just crazy to finally see, you know, it's just all in my head. So when you look at that fake me out down, because they don't want that to be real, because I would touch that and break it. So they got fake me out NFT. Yeah, overhead. Yeah, it don't cost a lot to paint a room blue and put some boxes. Yeah, because that's the word and the brand and the name and the swag, and it really because it's original. I like that though. That's pretty sweet how they did that. What is that? He poured tea on the towel? But with tea? Why would he use the tea water? It looked like he poured. It turned brown, didn't it? That don't make no sense. Double king scrolls, no pricing though.
Eric, you gotta ask how much it costs. You don't belong in this restaurant, okay?
Oh, there's the price down there. Oh, I think it's a whole thing. Oh, there. That's why, because it's the.
It's like with the bus race too.
I love that. I want this so bad. I want this so bad, bro. Every time I see a spread like that, I showed you that shit when they were in France and they was doing that shit. I said, I want the fucking course meal, real gangster baller shit, nigga. I need the food for shaboing boing. You niggas ain't never ate like that. Yeah, with the caviar. Come on now, fine dining. A little sip of tea. Would you like some tea, mother? Mother, would you like another cake? It says it doesn't include coffee. Oh, I see. So the tea is free and the coffee costs money. Well, because tea ain't nothing but water, black tea, Tiffany tea. Black tea, Tiffany tea. They slick. That's because you should only be drinking tea anyway, you uncivilized piece of shit. Nobody drinks fucking coffee, you savage. Coffee's extra anyway, because it's extra. You add, if you want that, we'll brew it, but that don't what come with the meal. You just need a light, refreshing tea to go with all these sweets and shit to wash down your palate while you eat your little nasty egg, because I'm sure that shit tastes nasty. Egg by itself, and then you got a raw egg with raw caviar. I'm sure I'll pass. That's why they keep scrolling around that bitch. Plus, they want it for the looks anyway. They only give you one. What is that? Mashed on the plate? Fruit? Smooshed fruit? La smoosh fruit? Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, he gave it to the girl, and now she gets to eat it? It's two. Oh, that's nice. It's actually cooked. I thought it wouldn't be cooked. See, I told you, like the possible. You see, it's got the kiss. Hold on, she the naked girl that was in with the invisible clothing. Oh, that was my naked nude look. Remember, I told you the see-through. I can see her booty, and then she come on. And now you supposed to be nude and only have like you know what I mean, with the nipples showing, and that's how the women are supposed to be bohemian, because you know it's hot. Everybody out here, yeah. My possible girls are the best dressed women in the planet. If you a possible girl, you getting married. Somebody gonna fucking want that. Keep that. Like, bitch, you see what she's wearing? Bitch ain't got nothing on. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, Ree. I don't know what you going. I don't know, my love. Seems to be a little
I don't know when I go to the Marriott, they always make you my own stuff.
I know, cause you gonna have to do that. You got to be rich.
I know, and I know Charlie said they be treating you better, don't they? I said, yeah. It's so bad. I said, you know, I'm a vegetarian, but I gotta come out with all kind of stuff.
That was lovely.
Yeah, they ate everything?
Of course. Them niggas was hungry. You know they poor. Poor. Those poor whites ain't got no. They famished. Oh, look at my bodyguard, my henchman, so you can't go upstairs. But if you was really there, black girl. Okay, black girl. She trying to act, but then where's her man to hold her down? That's how she looking all alone and confused. Because women without a man look lost. Women need a man in their life. Men need women and women need men. How about that? Money.
That's what we do with possible. Remember, we have the open one where you just come in and you have, I mean, not called open diamonds. And that's when you just come in and do all kinds of stuff. That's our night. It's open. Look, they going upstairs. That's how we'll have it. They ain't gonna play over those places.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at the plates.
I love it.
Oh, my God. This is it, mother. I love this is it. I'm trying to eat like this every day for the rest of my life. That's with the staff and my butlers. I'm telling you, this is the last year. Take it. Oh, look, those are those things that eat the animals. Those are carnivorous plants. What they got satanic? Oh, that's that satanic grove. That's that shit, Reed. The life and the death. You just know. You gotta know. If you don't know, you know. That's carnivorous. Oh, okay, girl. See, that's what you want, little half-naked bitches. This is the look. Oh, there's your eye, Rick. I lady, I soft clap. La piece, la piece. La piece. I give you a little piece, little la piece. Oh, with the blue elephant, that's cute. See, they trying to talk to you with the money bank. What banks of money? Oh, this is motherfucking money gang shit. This is paganism. Yeah, look, there's the satanic stars. Luciferianism, there's Saturn. There's the Saturn. There it is, it's satanic. You gotta know what you don't know, you don't know. You gotta know. You gotta know if you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. That's the child porn. Kitty porn, you know, we like the kids. That's the homage to child porn. You know they satanic, bro. You gotta know what you know, you don't know what you know, you gotta know. Oh, look, that's satanic, yeah. Now everything got a satanic hue now once your eyes, that's the eyes wide shut. That's why it's called see no evil, hear no evil. That's why his eyes are, you know what I mean, scraped out. Because we don't speak, you know what I mean? That shit is, oh look, they got a table that nobody touches. It's just staged. I love that Tiffany blue. That's the Tiffany blue they always be talking about. Yeah, look at that. It's like a teal. I like that shit. They got satanic names on the plates. Who are these people? Louis Reed. Oh man, this shit's satanic. They got another picture right there. Oh look, it's a different one though, like my NFT. Oh, it's my NFT. You know this? So that's the lady. That's she Tiffany too, right? That's that girl Tiffany. Yeah, that lady. Oh, okay, look, they did an homage to that shit to make the women want to be like this. It's a brainwash. This shit's satanic. They put it in the movies. How this when she went to the place and then everybody else. Because remember, women can't afford this shit. They want it, but they look at it like the lady did. It's envious. So they got to get a man to buy it for them. That's why women always talk about how I got to get a man, I got to get a level. Because that's the only way you're going to get into this Tiffany. Yeah, I know, and it was pretty good. I guess put it in low, 200 degrees. And by the time I'm hungry, it'll be. All right, y'all. It's the Money Buddha Show. It's my motherfucking show. The Money Buddha Show. It's the Money Buddha Show. Welcome to the Money Buddha Show, everybody. I'm your host, the Money Motherfucking Buddha. It's the Money Buddha Show, bitch. How are you all been doing today? Terrible? Sorry to hear that. Well, I'm here to brighten up your day. In Money Buddha Land, you can be a millionaire too. Now, I don't know about in reality, but in Money Buddha Land, we're all millionaires. We're all millionaires in Money Buddha Land. Whatever you want to be. Whatever you want to be in Buddha Land, you can be, baby.
Having space makes a big difference as far as
Isn't that great?
for me to grow.
Isn't that great news?
To provide a secure future.
Isn't that great news that now in Money Buddha Land, you can be whatever you want to be now?
What's best for my business.
You didn't get the email?
Like, wow, they believe in it.
Man. Well, we'll be back after these commercial break. I love this shit, man. I love this shit. I'm like fucking Jim fucking Kramer. I'm Money Buddha Kramer. And we are back. Oh yeah, after these commercial breaks, baby. Look at this. We got some new money stocks. We got some new stocks, baby. We got stocks. We got stocks. We got more stocks, and then we got a little bit of more stocks. We got more stocks, then we got more stocks. Then we got a little bit of more stocks. It's the Money Buddha Show, baby. You can be anywhere in the world, baby, but you're here with me, baby. You're here with me, baby. You can be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, baby. And I am the money fucking Buddha. And this is the motherfucking Money Buddha Show. So what are we going to do today? Have you all been looking at the Wall Street? Let's look at Wall Street. Let's get a little bit of Wall Street news. Let's get a little bit of Wall Street news. This is you. And this is me. It's the Money Buddha Show. I'm the Money Buddha. And it's the Money Buddha Show. And it's my motherfucking show. It's a great day to be alive. It's a great day to be the Money Buddha. Look at that. I'm looking at myself on live. Let me see what I look like on live. Oh, wow. Look at me. I'm on TV. Oh, this show is the greatest show in America. Great day to be the Money Buddha. Oh, wow. That's what I look like? Oh, my God, dog. I'm on TV. Wow, look at me. I'm on TV. I'm on TV. Oh, this show is the greatest show in America. I'm on fucking TV. Oh, my God. Wow. That's what I look like? Oh, my God, dog. I'm on TV. I'm on TV. I'm on fucking TV. Oh my God. That's what I look like. Oh my God, dog. I'm on TV. I'm on fucking TV, man. This shit is the greatest shit. Look at this shit, Reed. I'm on goddamn fucking TV. I'm on fucking TV. It's the Money fucking Buddha Show. I'm live. Look at this shit. Look what it look like. Look at this shit, Reed. I'm on goddamn fucking TV.
Yeah, you on TV, boo?
That shit crazy. And then you see the AIM. Look at AIM's chart.
Oh, damn, look at Amy's chart.
You see AIM? Look what it look like. Look at this shit, Reed. with the AIM.
Yeah.
Look at AIM's chart. You see AIM?
I'm talking.
I told you this shit is surreal, ain't it? Trippy. Look at this shit, Reed. I told you this shit is surreal, ain't it?
Oh, yeah, there you go.
I know. You see it about to break out. We got some good activity. AIM out here doing his thing. Let's say now is the time for you to start naming some stupid stocks. You always be wanting to name something. What you want to see now? You ever David type this in, type this in.
Type in T. I want to see what T is.
T, all right, there you go. Like
T
AT&T.
gonna change their stock. I mean their dividends. So I may want to get some T.
AT&T.
Yeah.
These people right here.
T.
It's coming up. We in the future.
Oh, yeah.
Let me make this bigger.
I think you gotta have it. You have to buy by a certain date.
Yeah, the X date.
Every time I remember the date. Coming up. They raising their dividend price. It's like $15.
Oh, they're gonna increase.
Yeah.
Now that they done shook everybody loose and now nobody owns it, now they're gonna increase the dividend. I just caught what the fuck you're saying. These fucking cheeky bastards. After they done did that shit. Let me see another minute.
Yeah.
Now that they done shook everybody loose and now nobody owns it. Cause look at that. Look what happened to the stock. Oh look! Oh look! Oh, you saw the update. You saw I just push that to the.
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw now. Look at how big the. Look at that drop right there.
Why is it dropping it?
That was us. And now you saying now they didn't drop it all the way down to 15, and now it's 16. It's still, and it's gonna break out too. Cause look at the line. It- yeah, but you gotta get. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hurting right now. Unless you gonna open up the damn, you gonna put the golden eagle on the wall or something. They normally I don't do this. You gonna pull unless you got something we don't. You know, yeah. You gonna have to, but you got to put it on E-Trade.
Yeah, we're gonna do E-Trade.
But you can't buy that. That's gonna be $15,000. You ain't got 15 grand. Soon. But it'll be on margin though. That's why. Oh, Smile. You'll buy it with my Smile proceeds. Smile goes up and you'll take the proceeds from Smile to buy the tea. You probably got a couple days. X date probably somewhere in the middle of June or yeah, July. Are we already in July? Oh fuck!
I gotta figure out what the X date was. They should be a T.
I know you was a dividend.
Yeah. What about Ben? B-E-N.
Are we already in July? Oh fuck!
I got it on by next Friday. X date is July 7th. Payout date is August 1st. I only have a month to have it out there.
You'd have to make a whole new account and connect it to wherever your secret money is, and then have your secret money.
That's right. Oh God. Oh man. Oh, that's right. It takes so long for money to go through. I gotta figure this out.
Damn.
You have to make a whole new
Oh, you're gonna have to transfer it to the whatever and then push it to E-Trade.
It won't even go to this one. E-Trade, straight to E-Trade. Bypass PNC, going to E-Trade. Okay. Okay.
I don't know, something like that.
And then.
Then it doesn't go anywhere. You just buy the shares.
Right.
But that's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money, though.
How much do you need though? You need X4. How much does 15,000 times? What you got divided by 4? And that'll give you how much money on margin. You need like 10 grand. If you can find 10 grand, you should be good. Because you'll get times 4 on
That's
2.
what they said.
You got 10 grand somewhere? Slide it to that account or whatever account you need, and then you'll get times 4 on that, and then you'll buy $40,000 worth of tea, which would be like 2,000 plus shares. What is the dividend gonna be now?
That's going up to
27 cents per share.
yeah,
That's not a lot.
that's not a lot. But you doing all that trying to figure out.
I don't know. It depends on how much you. 27 cents per share.
Cause it's only gonna give me $277.
What per dollar?
No, that's for the whole thing. If you do 1,000 shares, I think that's what they're saying. They're saying it's gonna go up to here,
What does it say? 1,000 shares? Oh,
right there, and that's what they.
you're holding 1,000 shares. Where are you holding 1,000 shares at?
I don't know. That's why they sent this to me the other day. That's what I'm telling you.
But you own 1,000 T somewhere?
Now that I know,
Why does it
it
say?
says you have it. Right here.
Let's do this.
No, that's you talking to me over there.
So where the fuck you holding 1,000 shares at? Not that I know.
I thought you had it. But
I mean, used to own tea. That was what started this whole tobacco.
I mean, you don't have no tea left.
No, I sold tea a long time ago.
So then this is them just because I got the dividend thing. I get a dividend thing for
I'm
dividend.
trying to think though. Now that might it does depend. I don't know.
That's gonna pay a lot of money for $5,000.
For margin.
$277.
I mean, it's free money in a way where you just sell it, you get your money back, and then you would just dump all your tea. But I don't know, the tea in the way is gonna make money too on the dividend and on the climb.
Right.
So I don't know, cause let me see tea.
Let's see, what's this right here?
Depends.
So,
I don't know.
that makes 27.
I would say you take that money and put it on Smile.
Oh God, damn.
Seriously, because if you got that, look at your numbers. If we can increase more Smile holding, look at Smile. Smile Direct. There's a Smile Direct clip. Boom. Look at the chart. Let me pull the chart up. Bear with me. Look at your numbers. Look at your T. Look at what T. Look at your climb. How do I get it bigger? It's about to break out. Yeah, 53 cents a share, which means you're gonna get fucking a billion shares. Get a $10,000 to give you times 50 cents, and now you got all them shares. And now what you do? You sell it? I guess. I don't know what you do.
want to sell. I want to sell.
Well, you'd have to sell that because you want your money back out of that one. I don't know how many would you get. I don't know. Now I'm confused. Let me see T. Now you got me thinking. No, because I don't trust none of this shit now. So because look at T. T got a good chart. I mean, T breaks out and you got at least a $2 run. So you got times 2 your money. So you'll make whatever the dividend is, and then you'll make because T probably goes up to about right here because they can't let everybody out. They go about right here, 17 something. Market maker ain't trying to let this many freaks free. So it does. It probably goes right up there. If not, it rejects. Because that's a rejection. We got rejection right here. Rejection. This is the sweet zone. Like how we were at that 50 mark. The market maker been keeping everything right here. It went bounced down, and it went down here, came right back. So if this thing can get over, this is a breakout point. And I like the chart because look at it. It's retracting. We got rescinding candle, which means it's starting to. It's not a big long retracting candle, which means I'm looking to see a breakout. T breaks out and you make money and then you sell, but now you back day trading on that shit again. I'm trying to see how that. I mean, I seen the lady. You got to do something in a way because the lady I watched the lady. That lady said she took $100 and turned it into millions. So it's all about putting your capital to work. That's the bottom line. If it don't make no money for nobody sitting around, and then you buy some shares. I don't. Only reason why I'm with you. Let me log into the other accounts. Let me look into the. It's all about putting your capital to work. Let me see. It don't make no money for nobody sitting around. And then you buy some shares.
Oh wow, the lady sitting here.
Let me log into.
This is lady. She said that she's my second cousin. So I asked her, did she live in Georgia? But that's where Granny from. And she said, yeah, and then she was sitting at the other desk. And I said, well, here's my name. Know her? Oh, Lord, I can't get them.
Oh, they got Mullinan. Mullinan's on the board.
Oh, God. Him?
as top losers.
Oh.
Damn, look, it went all the way back to 10 cents a share. What kind of way to steal people's money was that?
That was a Walmart.
They,
Walmart did that.
they like went up, reverse split, stole our money,
Yeah,
stole
and
all our
back
shares.
and bought it cheap, and now they still own a lot of Walmart. They went in, made it look like it was insider trading, sold it all, it went down, everybody sold right with it because they said so much happened. As soon as they did that, Walmart just went right back in. They probably did a short on it,
Yep.
went right back in and went right back up.
Wow. Because the SQQ was down. Market gonna crash by this chart. Damn, SQQ was at $70 a share. Oh, there's your Carnival. It's on the board. No, it's coming. I'm in the future.
Oh.
That's your Carnival. You kept telling me I'm buying
Yeah.
Carnival.
Yeah. Yeah, see?
It ran up $8.
Yeah.
Cause you were trying to buy it there. It went down some in March.
Yeah.
Then it bounced on the VWAP. That's a textbook VWAP bounce. Look at the blue line. It hit the blue line and
Bounce.
down. What a bounce! Nice fucking. Let me see what the fuck. What else? What's my shit looking like? I got blue line. What my blue line look like? Oh, look, see, we bounced off the blue line too. Aim. Perfect bounce. That VWAP is textbook. Where my other stars? Now I can. This shit is What about Smile? Is Smile near that blue line too? Oh, bounced it already. Damn, you see it?
That's aim.
Double bottom.
Yeah, see?
Whoa, they call him double bottom. The damn
I
Fenders.
told you something happened with aim.
No, this is
Oh,
Smile.
I'm looking at aim.
Told you need to buy Smile. Look at it, double.
Smile again.
This is it. It double. Look at the line. You see how it says double bottom? That's the line. Which means you saw the owns. Let me see how I'm. You can't go full on the. Yeah.
It's going up.
This is trying to convince me to buy some up. Right there. You know what I mean? And now we own it right there at this line at 49 cents. This is the line that was right here. There was another line. That's where all these tips kept hitting.
We finally got over that.
And now we done bounced over the tip line. Now we at 50. We owned it at 40, 49 right there. I think it's like 51 something. Yeah, right here. And now look, we in the green. This thing's now gonna keep building and building. That's why I say now is the good time to buy. Cause this thing's gonna go. We going back here. That's $1. You can make a killing. That's me personally. If I just had money, I'm not going. Cause that's T. Look at your numbers. I gotta spend $15,000 for 1,000 shares. For $15,000, I could probably end up with 30,000 shares of Smile. You see what I mean? I get double. So that means more money. You make more money with the same amount of risk. Whereas if you get less, more risk, less reward. Same risk, more reward. That's why the penny stocks are the better stock. And Smile Direct, I believe, is a better company than T. Because look at the motherfucking numbers. Smile's numbers, look at the price target. Price targets, they got $2 a hold. They didn't downgrade it from a hold to a sell. What they talking about? That was on March 30th. Loot Capital. They don't let you click it. They settled the dispute with DC. Or a leader. See what District of Columbia has agreed to the Office of the Attorney General to resolve litigations.
Okay, so the litigation is all.
Acquiring customers, causing an oral refund to those customers wishing to return their liners in 30 days. Has always believed in transparency and building trust with customers, and why we were the first company in the teeth straightening industry to give customers pricing transparency. Come on now, y'all can't hate on Smile. Smile is a diamond company. I see a good first step in the SP and advertisement has been released. Good work, Smile Direct Club. See? Good work. You're welcome. People saying you're welcome. Buy the stock in penny calls. See? They telling you to buy it. $50 would be nice. $50 a share, and you got come on now on top. Come on, think about it, Reed. You already have 15,000 shares. You buy another 30,000 shares. You got 45 something plus thousand shares, if not more, because I don't know what $15,000 will do. You probably get more. I don't know how much the you might end up with 30,000 probably, because it's 50. If $1 1-to-1, $1 $15,000, that's 15,000. 50 cents, that's 2-to-1. So you're getting 2-to-1 for your dollar. $15,000, that's 30,000 shares. $30,000, so 10,000 will be 20,000. So you're getting 2-to-1 on your money, any dollar you shoot. For every $1 spent, you get 2 shares. You get 2 for 1 pricing right now, which is a steal. And now the company is $1 billion company, and you don't never have to sell. That's what y'all don't understand about this Wall Street shit. You can build your whole thing off of this and always eat, and that's what y'all. That's a real retirement. That's really how you retire, because you really have a workhorse that's in the cut that's always gonna be doing that work when you retire, and your whatever expectation yield starts to go down. The Smile Direct's expectation yield never goes down, because it's always gonna be moving and working, because it's an entity. You see what I'm saying? And when you allow your money to be aligned with an entity, it essentially makes you an immortal. At least it makes your finances immortal. You follow me? Expectation yield never goes down, because it's always going to be moving and working, because it's an entity. You see what I'm saying? And when you allow your money to be aligned with an entity, it essentially makes you an immortal. At least it makes your finances immortal. You follow me? Yeah. Nah. That's the fucking how you do it. I'm telling you. You all don't understand that part. Y'all putting y'all money in the banks and letting the banks, you know what I mean, hold your money, and then you're going to be old and be like, well, I want to make a withdrawal. But all you're going to do is keep withdrawing. You'll never have no real money coming back in, because you won't be working no more. Because your yields have now gone to depleted levels. You'll be at all-time lows when your needs will be at all-time highs. Don't y'all understand that part? That part, it seems like y'all don't get that part. They keep tricking y'all, making y'all think that retirement means all-time high. Retirement means all-time low. That means you'll be less faculties. You'll have less of your power. You'll have less of your energy. You know what I mean? You'll have less of your abilities to do things and to handle endeavors and to have your mental faculties when you were able-bodied. You understand? So retire means what it means. Retire. What happens when they say, well, I'm going to retire for the night? That means I'm going to bed. That means I'm gone. I'm out of here. So how do y'all think y'all going to be in here when the word clearly says you're going to be out of here? Because you're going to be out of here. And that's why y'all be dead. So there's no such thing as retirement. There's no such thing as that shit. That's an illusion. That's an illusion. That's what they keep. That's why they steal your whole life. That's why they in France right now fighting. Because they increased the retirement age now. Which means now you not even whatever little bit of life that you thought you were going to have for yourself, that too will be devoted to us. They pledged your entire life to them now. What are you going to do at 75 fucking years old? What are you gonna do? What kind of life do you all think that you're gonna live at 70-something years old? Your ass gonna be laying down somewhere eating pudding. Eating fucking soft serve ice cream shit, soft fucking shit because your teeth are melted. You know what I mean? You're gonna be eating baby food and shit like they do old people, bro. Y'all not gonna be living no life at no 70 years old after they just stole y'all whole life and left y'all with absolutely fucking nothing. Don't y'all understand that part, man?
That's what you understand, Eric.
I don't think y'all understand that. Then y'all would be really trying to put some money to work and buy as much Smile as you can or any kind of stock, whatever you like. But buy as much as you can that way, and make sure it's a company that you know gonna go far. I know Smile gonna go far. I know I can hear how they work. I know the company. I know everything about the thing. I've done my research, so I can say with true confidence to spend all your money on Smile and know that company not going nowhere. They're not gonna wake up one day and be like, Smile Direct Club is closing its doors. Oh damn! Knock on wood. That sounded like prophet. Hey man, don't say no. He man that called the prophets. Don't say that shit. They ain't gonna do that. But God damn, motherfucker, you know what I mean? And if they do, y'all be alright. By the time that happens, you should be up in the money because it's all about now. No one's telling you to live and stay in bed with Smile Direct forever. It just as you staying in as long as it look like it's going up. And if you buying it at 53 cents a share, it's always gonna be looking like it's going up to you because it's never going back down to these prices. You all have to understand that part too. That these are record lows. These are historical lows for all these companies. These companies don't go back to these prices no more. This shit writes itself up by 2020, 40, 2040, 2050, 20 whatever, 2035. That shit don't look, this world doesn't look the same anymore by 2035. Y'all gotta have y'all futurist hats on. But y'all bank accounts gonna be looking the same by 2035. That's the sad part. The world will have changed, but you all will be a lesser for it, man. That's the part that you normies don't understand. With your attitude, that you niggas gonna be on y'all dick when this shit switches. Y'all on y'all dicks now. Y'all niggas don't ride Beamers. Y'all niggas not riding foreign like the Money Buddha. You niggas aren't the Money Buddha. You niggas didn't make fucking over $1,000 on Friday. Y'all aren't doing this. It's not working. So so get out of here with this nonsense. Like I'm trying to tell y'all something wrong. I'm telling y'all with the chart. I'm just reading the chart. And the chart says double bottom. And I'm telling you what the 53 cent mean. 53 cent a share for a company that has over $100 million at its disposal. Where's the number at? You can see it somewhere. Market cap. There it is. 200-something million dollars. Why would its market cap be over $200 million and its sales are at $438 million? That's its sales. Did you all make $438 million this year? Huh? Are you going to make it next year? You're not making $473 million next year. No one is. That's my whole point. That's what the stock market enables you to do. It enables you to take your money that was going to do absolutely nothing for you but disappear and now put it and invest it. That's why it's called an investment. And invest in a company that'll actually have some real legs in the game. $438 million sounds like real legs in the game. Now, if you're all going to say, well, I can recharge, you'll say, well, what about this negative $85 million? Well, if you know anything about Smile Direct is for the first time ever in the company's history, in the whole country, in the whole, what is it called? The whole company's history, since the inception of the company, it will now be, for the first time ever, it will be posting positive cash flow. So income for the first time ever, next time you look at this number when it updates, will have a positive number and not a negative number, and it will be in the upwards of hundreds of millions of dollars positive cash flow. Okay? Do you understand that? That's major. That's major, bro. You all have to understand that. And that's not just you. This is what I'm talking, I'm live. I'm talking to all my subs and everybody. Anybody who ends up watching this video. This is the part that you all are understanding about Wall Street. When you all are having this negative condensation and thinking that this, that, and the third, and all this other shit, you all are speaking from a peon, a low-level state of mind. You're not factoring in the fact that these people are making in hundreds of millions of dollars, and you only make thousands of dollars, if that, if not hundreds of dollars. Okay, and if not no dollars in my particular friends' cases. In my network and in my social group, for the youth that I know, the youth aren't making any money, okay? They're making minimum wage or they're doing crimes. That's why you see crimes through the roof, because if they had money, they wouldn't be stealing cars, okay? That's because they're homeless and they're impoverished, and impoverished people commit crimes, okay? That's how this shit works, okay? Yeah. So that's because they don't have a brokerage account, and if they did have one, they're not funneling their funds into the brokerage account to keep it funded, which is where your problem is at. You've gone all the way to the point of having a brokerage account, but you're not funding it. You know what I mean? You have to fund your account. That's for all you people. Now, not just you, Cardo. I'm talking to you now, Cardo. You working in that goddamn factory, but you're not funding your account.
Yeah, Cardo, you gotta fund your account.
You gotta take money and put it to the side. That's for all of you all. Even if it's a couple dollars and you're looking at Smile Direct is 53 cents a share. Everyone has $20. If you got $20 in a brokerage account, you got 40 shares. Yeah. If you got $100, you got 200 shares. You're starting to get some real numbers now. 100 shares. And this company starts to move, you're making no money now. Yeah, your money, and now your money's working for you as opposed to just sitting there and you all smoking cigarettes or doing whatever you're doing with it. Buying it, giving it to women and buying them things. I don't know. You know what I mean? Being lover boys and shit or buying, I don't know what y'all do with y'all money, honestly. Y'all know what I do with my money. I've pushed every cent into this shit. Okay? I'm telling y'all, everything is in this Wall Street shit. Pass, sink, or fail. The money comes from this shit, and it pays good. The biggest numbers I've ever seen from anybody's motherfucking hands have come from this Wall Street shit, okay? Mm-hmm. Not no drug money, not from no prostitution money, not no strip. It's Wall Street shit. This is the only place where you can log off and log back on and be 100 times more richer than you were before you logged off. And that's the name of the game. You put your money and you buy it at 53 cents a share, and then the shit goes up. That's why you read the charts. You see it already went down. It went down, what did it do? It bounced and then it went up. Then it went down, then it went up. Then it went down, now it's gone up. This is what this thing does. So every time it's gone down, it goes up. And every time it goes up, it's gone down, because that's how it goes. As above, so below. It's witchcraft, okay? That's the as above, so below. You know what I mean? The inverse, X-verse, or whatever. It has to go up. It got to go down. What goes up must go down, and what comes down must come up. It's the law. This is law. It's all about what part of the elevator you are at. And being at the fact we're at all-time lows, then you know what comes after lows. Highs. So that's why this is the time to buy. That's why they tell you buy low and you sell high, because it's the inverse reaction of the whole thing. The thing is down. It's at all-time lows. And now you would say, well, Eric, look at it. It's already kind of gone up. But that's why you got to look at the length of the chart and the breadth of the distance of this shit. And if you look at the monthly, let's see if we can pull up a monthly. Look where we are. Look where we got a long way to go. We're going all the way back up there, baby. This thing, and now where you look at your perspective, look at 2023, and now look at the history of the company. Mind you, the company is a young company. The inception, it's only been trading since the pandemic. Right. So therefore, that's why, so when you all are looking at these numbers, you're like, well, why is it down? It made $100 million. I told you strange things are happening in the netherworld right now. But that don't mean that this company is not the most shining, crowning jewel. And if you look at it right now, it's finally broken out. If you know how to read charts, here's your first green signature and the entire red thing. It's finally ready to turn over. And now it's going to start to paint a chart this way. Just like how I painted the chart that way. And now look where you came from. You came from $20 a share. That was when that's called the IPO price, the initial public offering price. Right. Okay? The IPO price was $20 a share. It's trading at 53 cents a share. At bare minimum, it goes and trades back at IPO. Then what do you think happens to the stock once it gets back to IPO? It breaks out. That's the same. That's why the man in the chart, the question, if you go read the thing, he asked $50 a share maybe, because he's looking at the factors. He's looking at, man, this thing got at least double $20, and $20 about $40. $40 about $50 by day. So you see where their target, that this thing goes to $50. It's at 53 cents a share. Only a fool doesn't take all their money and buy as much as they can. Because look at your potentiality. Look at your potential. It's all about potentiality. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta, it's like, that's what, it's like, that's the game, man. If I take $20 and I spend it on McDonald's, then I take $20 and I put it in the bank, and then I take $20 and I invest it on Wall Street, which $20 was the best $20. You see what I mean? It's that kind of thing. Now take that $20 and put it towards any kind of money that you can muster to take out of your account. And that's what the game is. Because it sits in the bank. You all they got your money, you work, and they direct deposit. They don't even give you a check. I was from the days when you could get a check and say, I want my check, and I want you to cash it out of the register that I just worked on. They don't let you do that no more because that's getting you too close to the money. I seen when they used to do it, they hated that because they kind of don't want you near that money. They want it kind of just disappear into your account, and you never see it. When you really get a check and you really get paid, yeah, I mean, you like a rapper now. You get to count that bitch cold card cash, and now you flex. It's the most powerful thing in the world, honestly, to have your own money in your own possession. That's why they make your money go to the bank. Okay? So being that said, if your money is all in the banks, what would be the next best solution, Eric, in this new digital world when my money kind of has to be digitized anyway for it to really work? Then you would take your money and you would move it into your brokerage account because now you're getting the best of both worlds. You're actually getting a way and an opportunity for your funds to work for you, and you still can use the banks and do all that shit where you need an ATM and you need to do digital transactions and you need to buy shit on Walmart or Amazon. But your money gets to work for you. Whereas in the bank, that money don't do nothing. In fact, it loses money because a person like me, I don't have too much money in the bank. I got like under $100 in my account, and they tax me like $7 just for having, as a tax for using the services, I suppose. So if you ain't really got over the minimum requirement fee in that bitch, it'll really make you lose money. So it's already making you lose money because saving money means to make money. That's the first problem that y'all don't understand. If you look up the definition of saving money means to make money. The concept of what y'all believing what saving money means is that I save it. Saving money is saving money, but that's not saving money. Saving money is to make money. Okay? And the reason why the money that you save is a savings of money is because it was money that wasn't spent. Thus, you saved it. That's why it's called a savings account. Because if you put it to the side and don't spend the $2, you saved the $2. Because you were losing the $2 when you spend money. That's why saving money means to make money, and why saving money doesn't equate to making money, but it's still called savings. Because people get confused with that shit. Well, I'm not making money, but I'm saving it. It's not. You ain't say. They just put that as the title of the bitch, so that because they needed another name instead of checking. They already used up checkings. They said, well, call it savings because that's what they want to do, but that ain't what y'all are doing. They see that's the slick part about it. They calling it savings, but y'all don't really make money on your savings. That's the whole game. You used to make good money on your savings.
Right, you used to make money because that's why they came with the savings and loans.
Yeah, but the savings and loans is over. I watched the banking people make jokes about savings and loans. They said the savings and loan was some kind of failed concept. The banker people don't have no respect for savings and loans.
They didn't like it because the savings loan they gave it to the other people. See, the banks are only for the rich people, like you just seen in Queens. But the other side of the track was for the other people. The savings and loans to people who lived on that other side where that subway was. And that's why they killed it. Because those people were actually getting houses and making them.
Yeah, and would end up living in Queens.
Yeah, would end up being in Queens.
That's the whole thing. So they had to keep them over on that side of the track.
Over there by getting rid of their product.
And giving and prohibiting their ability to produce and work in this financial market.
Right.
And that's what I'm giving y'all back with the Money Buddha. I'm giving y'all a way in. But y'all just don't want to take it. Y'all got to take it, man. You got to take your funds. Nobody's saying, what am I going to eat? I am saying that, though, honestly. I say 100%. If that means you all got to turn off your cable, if that means you all have to eat ramen noodles for the next couple of days, it would be surely better to do that than to continue down whatever kind of avenue you all are going. Now, that being said, if you have things, you have bills, you have other kind of things, obviously I'm not telling you to produce 100% allocation towards this shit. But you all know you all are wasting money on frivolous endeavors. You know that you have funds that are just sitting there and aren't doing anything. If you know those things to be true, then take a percentage of that funds. Now, you don't even have to do 100% of those funds. Take a percentage out of those funds and allocate it towards the capital markets. Allocate your capital. Put your capital to work for you on the capital markets. That's all I can say. Money Buddha. Because that's what I'm doing, baby. right now, currently, all full disclosure, because I feel like you got to put your money where your mouth is. I own 15,000 shares of this bitch. Full disclosure. Full disclosure. You probably won't be able to afford 15,000 shares of this company. But I own 15,000 shares. In fact, I own more than that because I got it in 2 portfolios. I own like another 1,000 almost, I think, in the other account. Okay? So I own a lot of this shit. I'm telling you. And I'm telling you, even with the lot that I own, I would gladly own more. Because I know ain't never too much. Come on. How more richer would I be if I owned 1 million shares? And how more richer would I be if I owned 3 million shares? And how much more richer would I be if I owned 100 million shares? Think about these things. There's never too much of this shit. There's never too many shares of any company. They want you to believe that they're crazy. It's just all about, can you grab enough shares in the allocated time while this thing is moving in its cycle before its cyclical up and down thing now puts you out of the money. And if that was ever a mistake I made, that was a mistake. Where this thing has a cycle, like a girl's period. This thing is on a cycle. You know what I mean? And a lot of times I used to not understand why it was going down until I realized it's just the cycle of this thing. It just like how the sun go up and it go down. You know what I mean? It goes up and it go down. You know what I mean? And a lot of times, like right here, like I would be confused. Like, why would the stock come down right here? It's like, it looked good. And then you see it just crashes. And I just like, those were a lot of things that would catch you off guard on the market. But you don't have that problem because you are in it to get out and out. I was in it to create long generational wealth Rothschild shit. I was on some Rothschild shit. I was trying to get some dynastical type of shit going on, nigga. You know what I mean? Lord Buddha type shit. But just as far as fast money, hot money, yeah, you can make hot money on this thing instantly. You just buy it and sell it. Buy it in the morning and sell it in the evening. It's fucking Wall Street. But, you know what I mean? I wasn't what I was doing. I was trying to, you know what I mean, create some real, you know what I mean, kings and queen, Lord of Lord type shit. But, yeah, you can easily just buy it right here, and whatever it goes up a couple cents. And then you sell it for a couple cents, and now you take the profit. And you rinse and repeat. And then you'll turn, and that's what most people do. They just like, they call that scalping. They're scalping the market. You know what I mean? You can just scalp shares off of shit. You know what I mean? But that's all my little, you know what I mean, pitch. Don't say I ain't try to help. I help, nigga. I try to help y'all, nigga. And don't let these numbers go to your head. You got to do your research and know what these numbers mean. Like I said, you just can't look at it and be like, oh, but it's negative $8 million, 85 million. But you don't know nothing about this shit. You ain't listened to none of the board meetings. You don't know nothing. See, I listen to the board meeting. This particular stock, Smile Direct, I am quite intimate with. I listen to them niggas talk all the time. So I know for a fact them niggas have like almost $500 million in positive cash. And I know that, and on top of that, that they told y'all that they make over $500 million every month, damn near, or whatever, every quarter, because these are quarterly numbers. So if they make $430 million every quarter, how much money do you think that means every year? In a half a year, they already made almost $1 billion. They 200 million away from $1 billion half a year. The other half of the year, it still ain't done yet. So them niggas make like $2 billion a year. Okay? Y'all not following the money. Okay? They made $2 billion. So what you think is going to happen to this price? Let's all look at this for history, because I like to go back in history. What's today's date? 7/2/2023, 1:16 p.m. Smile Direct's price is 53 cents a share. We'll all come back and look at this price, and we'll see was Money Buddha right. We'll see if Smile Direct is still 53 cents a share come whenever. Or is it not somewhere in these upper numbers, somewhere in the upper $15 to upper $20, if not hadn't broken all the way out to 40, 50, 60, 70, because you got to know what's their competitor. They only have one competitor in the space, and I think it's Align, but I don't know how they spell it, because they spell it weird. I think it's these people. Yeah. Look at this right here. Now look at their only competition. Their only competition in the dental space trades at $353 per share. Okay? It's 64 cents. So even the cents is more than Smile Direct. It trades at $353.64. If my math is not right or wrong, I believe that's almost, 3,500 times the amount. You okay? You know what I mean? I think so, right? It's either three, I don't think it's in the hundreds. I think it's 3,000 times, not the hundreds of times. Yeah, it's the thousand. So that's 3,553,000 times the current price. Okay? So that's your upside. 3,000% upside. Okay? So when I tell you to put your entire account on this thing, I'm not joking. I'm telling you to fucking save your family. I'm telling you how to get out of the fucking Sodom and Gomorrah before it's too late. Okay? I'm telling you niggas. Money Buddha. I'm telling y'all, nigga. And I'm telling you that Smile Direct is one of the best vehicles right now to do it because all these other stocks are already $2. This is the poor man stock. A lot of these stocks you all can't even just do what I just told you to do even if you wanted to. That's the part you're not understanding too as well. That even though I just told you the way to get out, the gate be shut on all this other shit. You'll never do what I just told you to do on any other stock. You will have to find a stock that is like Smile Direct, and there's no other companies like that. Meaning to say, there's no other companies really in that penny market space that's doing over $500 million, $1 billion in sales, nigga. That company is only down there because they pushed it down there because they want to buy it up like I'm telling you to buy it up because that's how they get things on sale because the Wall Street niggas are crazy. It's like saying, do you want to buy the pyramids of Egypt full price or 3,000% off? That's their game. I'm not buying that shit full price. Give me the 3,000% off. And so that's what they do. They crush the price to bring it to a level where they now can make their money, because they got a lot of money. If I got $1 billion of capital allocation that I can allocate towards this shit through the securities equity market. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to spend that bitch at $10 a share. I need that bitch at $2 a share. Or I need it as low to go. How low can you go? Because I know about the company, meaning to say, I already know why I'm here. I already know that Smile Direct is a breakthrough dentistry platform that's unlike in any other company, you know what I mean, in its sphere. So we know why we're here. Meaning to say, we know Lockheed Martin makes the damn missiles. So we know why we're here. So knowing that Lockheed Martin, let me see if I can, you know what I mean, Lockheed, knowing that we motherfucking, you know what I mean, knowing Lockheed Martin is $460 a share, you gonna spend, now you say you don't want no bullshit amount of shares. We're not talking a couple hundred shares. We talking about a real nice little, like how Money Buddha. You want 40,000 shares. You know how much money it would cost to buy 30,000 shares of Lockheed Martin at $460 a share? Okay, it's gonna cost you millions. If I'm not mistaken, it's gonna cost you like $30 million, if not more. Because that would be at 40, and this is at 400. So we're talking 300 something million. We're talking 300 million, I think. Because you gotta add your zero. You add the zero, carry the fucking one. Money Buddha. So we're talking $300 million. I think it's so. I think it's right. You took it out early, bro.
Oh, I thought it was ready.
I told you leave it in there.
Smell it. You feel it. All right. I don't want it to burn.
It's not ready yet. Or maybe it was ready and then I didn't see it too.
Smell it.
I didn't smell nothing.
I did. That's why I got up.
So but yeah, motherfucking bottom line, nigga. Know your companies. Do your due diligence. Motherfucking Lockheed Martin, nigga. Now Lockheed bouncing off that blue line now, which I believe is the VWAP. Oh, there's the 200-day. Ooh, right here. Here's a good one. Yeah, right here. SNT. They got a double bottom pattern. They rub it down. You got like 30 cents. Oh, I like these people too. Radcom, Radcom, Radcom. Radcom, RDMC, Radcom, Radcom. This one look good too, INHV. Looking at a breakout, look upward trend, double bottom, upward trend. We got consolidation breakout. We're looking for a breakout over the 20-day. See, like I'm saying, go to Smile Direct Club. Let's see their total revenue. Come on now, total revenue, selling general gross profit, 300 million. Come on, cost revenue, 130 million. Their total revenue, once again, I told you, 438 million. Come on, over the 12 months, look at their 12 month. For 12 months, they make $637 million. Come on, man. Look at the total. Total operating expenses is $900 million, $1 billion. That's what I'm saying. They doing that to cook the numbers so that they can steal the money. Man, we learned about that with Mahari. Them numbers be like that because that's how they fucking steal that shit. Come on, man. Y'all see the shit. Let's see how much the shares. Oh, damn, we up there with the big people. Oh, wow, look, I got more shares than the director. The director got fucking 10,000 shares at 78 cents. I got 15,000 shares. I own more than Alexander.
Oh, wow.
I got more than Alexander, boy. Huh?
What's he thinking?
He just ain't got no money. He don't make no money. It's hard to be, just because you the director don't mean you got to pay maybe money to go to the, like I telling y'all, dog. It's levels of this shit. First, you have to have the funds. Then you got to know to actually use the funds. I keep telling y'all retirees that y'all need to, y'all have done a big thing. That was a big deal what y'all did. Y'all got them funds saved, which means saving money means to make money, but they didn't tell y'all the next part. The next part is now y'all got to turn financial money gurus and now manage y'all's portfolios and quadruple y'all's net income while y'all still can read the English language and count and conjugate sentences before you. You know what I mean? Y'all, blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? I'm telling y'all. They don't tell you that part. Because I look at the old people deteriorate. You know what I mean? Look at that one white lady I see all the time. She be looking bad now. I said, oh, she going to go soon. One of them white ladies, I think her name Bessie. The Bessie lady.
Oh, they're not really?
Yeah, with the glasses, tall lady, with blue dress she wears or something. She look like she ain't doing too good. You know what I mean? So look at that. She don't look like no ballerina now. That's what I'm talking about. That's what, there it is. Prime example. My mother just told me this lady was a ballerina. Y'all just heard me just tell you the bitch look like she out the door. So what that tell you? That mean whatever you are and whatever you think you are, that shit don't do nothing for you when you retired, quote unquote. Because that's what you retired from. You retired from being a ballerina. You retired from being this person. You retired from being this rowdy, Rudy Tooty motherfucking gangster motherfucking whatever, disrespectful motherfucker. That's over. That's why you retired. So what about this other person you gonna be? You haven't worked on that person at all. That's where this shit comes in. Now you don't have to work on that person. Now you can be like, oh, thank God I listened to the Money Buddha and took 25% and put that shit back to work. Wow, because I knew that I was gonna go out of work. Think about the logic. You're gonna go out of work. Something gotta go to work. You follow me? Your money has to go to work for the fact that you aren't going to work. You cannot just retire. They're telling people just to retire and to just live off the money that they earned when they weren't retired. That's retarded. That's fucking retarded, bro. That makes no sense, bro. Use your logic, people. Okay, if I work as a painter and I make $1 a day painting and I work 12 days, that means I make $12. If I don't paint one day, that means I make $11. If I don't paint 2 days, that means I make, come on. So now I'm going to retire the rest of my life. How many dollars am I going to make? Fucking $0. And if I already been spending the $12 that I had been saving while I was working, let's say I was, if most of you all aren't even saving those $12, mind you. You're fucking spending them at the fucking Friday nights and giving them to women to make them have sex with you, okay? So let's say you even have the presence of mind because you're an older person now and your humanly needs have now, because now you've been living below your means, as a person I know likes to say. Now you've been living below your means because you're living a slower life now because you're not that young cat no more, okay? Now what you gonna do? What are you gonna do with that shit when you no longer are working? You no longer make those $12. Okay, so you say, I said, okay, I made my 12. I work 12 days. I make $1 a day. I make $12. I spend, let's say, $2, and I save $10, which none of you all are doing. That's really living below your means. I'm saving 2, I'm spending 2, and I'm saving 10, and I only made 12. So that's like 80%. You like a 90% nigga. That means with them $2, you live in the dark, essentially. If we put this in a mathematical scheme, that means that you don't really buy food. You buying ramen noodles like I told you. You don't have cable, and you got just enough to pay the rent so that you got a roof over your head so you're not in the street sucking dick for crack or getting eaten up by the coyotes or something, okay? That's the logic here, okay? Follow me. Are we tracking? Now, let's say you get hurt and you can't work those 2 days. Now how much you got? You got 8. You got $8 plus the 2 you were spending, bitch. You got 4. See how this shit start to comp? But you still had to remember, you still had to motherfucker spend your 2. You ain't been working. You already was at 10. I said you didn't work for another 2 days. That's 8. Landlord still want his 2. That mean you at 6, my G. Are we tracking? Now I'm gonna say you getting older. Now you working less days than that. Now you another 2 off you. Landlord still want his 2. That's if you didn't upgrade your house. And let's say you upgraded. Now you got a little shorter, you had sex, you had a baby. Now instead of 2 out, it's 4 out. Come on now. It's 4 out, but you still only live the same life. That's why you gotta always upgrade your life. Because you still only making that original 12. But now you done added a woman and a baby. Of course you are underwater now. You barely had enough when you were single. When you were single and didn't have all these people depending on you. Now you added a whole woman and a child and some more shit and a mortgage and a dog. You see how that shit add up? Player, all my young folk. This is for y'all, they don't tell y'all that part. When you put the weed down, that part, nigga. When the J burn up, nigga, all the J burn up ain't nothing but ash. You see that part, and then you gotta roll another one. But what happens when you're out? Now you're out. I gotta go get more. But you can't get no more, because your life is at the end of this rope. There is no more life to keep drawing from. The well has a certain amount. Everyone has a certain amount allocated to their vessel. You all aren't going to be able to. That's why you think you retired. You retired because you realize, damn, I keep drawing. I'm burning that wick pretty hard. I got to save this last little bit of water in the bucket. I can't drink all this shit up. You follow me? Are we tracking? Are we tracking now? Are we tracking, Money Buddha? You know what I mean? Thus, you have to have another well that you had created for yourself. Come on now. That's the whole thing. Y'all don't have that. None of y'all have that. Y'all think that y'all emergency well is the well, but no, that emergency well is the main well that you'll be regularly drawing from at your retired state because you will have no new money coming in to the whatever. That's why I say you need to, while you still got your faculties and you still can call some people and you're not, I'm sleepy, and maybe you got to go down somewhere and meet someone or something and still speak on your own behalf. You know what I mean? That's why you're doing it now. Because if you don't do it now, no, I'm telling you, that lady is in no position. Mrs. Ballerina is in no ballerina position right now to be trying to talk about nothing, okay? That lady barely can walk up the street, okay? That's my point. And so that's what. So and that's retiring. And now and them are where the most pressing matters are now going to be at your doorstep. And you're now at your most weakest and demented state that you've been in the entire history of your life, and your most vulnerable state. That's why they say you gotta have some people to love you and some shit like that, and don't alienate your only child. You know what I mean? And goddamn, you know what I mean, have somebody that's gonna speak on your behest, because you're gonna really be on your dick, as the young folks say. You're gonna be on your dick. You know what I mean? You're really gonna be standing on your balls out there in these streets. You know what I mean? And y'all and a lot of y'all gonna end up bad. A lot of y'all are out bad now. Sitting around waiting for the Metro Access vehicle to come get you to take you to dialysis. Come on now, E-Man preach. Speak to me. I'm just telling y'all. I'm just trying to talk to you. You're gonna be looking bad out here. Especially when they cut a hole in your throat and now you, man, this is why I sound like this, and this is why you just smoke cigarettes. Come on now. Smoke cigarettes. No, just smoke cigarettes. This is why I shouldn't smoke cigarettes. Get out of here. Then what you gonna do? You really gonna be out here. You gonna wish somebody was your bro then. You gonna be looking for a bro. Ah! Stupid bitch. And your kid a retard. Now when they can't even speak, listen, she more in trouble than you are. Honestly, boy. She ain't even got no, at least you got you got the supreme leader. The grand chancellor at your disposal. Shit. Fuck that bitch, she gonna be in trouble. That's what I'm saying. She gonna wish it. She'd have wished she had a bro. My caliber. Trust and believe. Stupid bitch. You'll regret saying that. Trust me. All of you will. And any one of y'all who ever fucking tried to cross me soon regret it. That's that lady. That giant pad of paper on her fucking door for trying to play with me in my sleep. All of y'all get it. And you too. That's why I tell you, be very careful.
Me too. Well, you gonna talk about me too?
Very careful.
Why? Because I don't have no problem?
Be careful.
What? Who's gonna make me be careful?
Be very careful. I'm just telling y'all. Be very careful. I'm telling y'all. You do. All y'all. I'm telling y'all here. I'm trying to talk to y'all. I'm just telling y'all, Money Buddha. Money Buddha. I like my charts. I don't care what y'all say. I got more than the damn director. I got more shares than the director, and I still want more. I'm trying to be up here with the CEO. The ELO. He got 300,000. I need that many. Oh no, wait, he got more than that. He got 2 million. He got 2,700,000 shares. Yeah, that's the Suzanne Greenspoon. Remember Suzanne, she the EVP and the CLO and the secretary. She know what's up. She know how to make that money talk. The director only got 300,000, another director. Oh, this is insider trading.
Yeah, I'm looking. That's why I asked you why you had some. You didn't have enough.
Oh, this nigga brought some.
So they
This
bought
person
these
sold
at
some. Hold on, this person just sold 2 million shares then.
Yeah, but they sold
At 38 cents.
Back in March they sold.
Yeah, but why would she sell 2 million shares? Oh, is this how much she still owns? Services benefits he owns. Reported.
She owns 2 million.
Oh, she sold 200,000.
She sold no
300. Okay, I'm about to say that's still what she owned then. I thought.
She still owns 2 some million.
With my man, what he own?
What's that, a 4?
Oh, he owned 200,000. He bought another 10 to add to his 250. I was about to say you got to have more than that because only got that.
That's why I said he had to have some more. I'm like, what is he? Come on.
So that I just have as much as one. See, I mean, my whole position in their company is only one allocation for the main people. See what I mean? It's levels to this shit. That's my whole position, and this is just one little buy. Them niggas got 250,000 shares of this company. So what you think they gonna be looking like when this bitch go up? Come on, man. Come on now. Smile the Red Club, man. I'm telling y'all. And if this is the first time you've ever seen a Form 4, just go ahead and like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, bitch. If it's the first time if you ain't never seen no shit like this, you know I'm the only nigga. Most of these people wouldn't even have done this right here for y'all. I'm opening the gates out here because you know I love the people. I'm a man of the people. Juarez. Juarez for everybody. I'm just throwing Juarez out the back of the window. I'm throwing it out there. You know, nobody else. Kramer, nobody. Not even the main Wall Street channels are showing you these types of level of forms. Okay? The actual Security Exchange Administration in Washington, D.C., where I'm located. Okay? I'm really down here. I'm really in the real Wall Street. That's why when I tell y'all I'm down in Wall Street, and y'all be like, damn, he not in New York. And y'all, I'm actually in the real Wall Street, nigga. This is the real. You see, it don't say New York. It says Washington, D.C. The Security Exchange Commission is centralized here. It's not down in Manhattan some fucking weird. That's just where they play Wall Street. We are really Wall Street. You know what I mean? That's why you actually are seeing these kind of forms. You don't see them kind of forms on Fox Business. Because Fox Business plays with the money, nigga. And we really make the money. And I'm telling you to take all of your assets and push it towards Smile Direct. Call me later at the pool party. And I'm out. Money boot out. When we come back, we're gonna end up playing some play some Call of Duty or something. Some Money Buddha show. Hottest on the goddamn YouTube.